But managed to get the front K member out. That was fun. Now, working on getting the Corvette finished taken out. And then somehow fit that into that. The fun's beginning. It has begun. Son of a gun. There'll be more, maybe less. But yeah, we got lots of fun to do here. But overall, I'm pleased with the results. It's gonna be a fine car soon. Fine car.
That I picked out.
Mess.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, what the heck happened to my work table?
Hey.
Yes, I need to get some type of disorganized organization going. Well, this is stage 1.2.0.
Take 1, scene 5. Trying to figure out how to take off pieces of a car.
Owie!
Warning headphone users, this is loud.
Owie! Hang out, boo-boo! Whoop whoop. Good enough. Alright, now take these last two out and pop this over. And I think it'll drop out now. Well, I guess technically the easy part's done. Got that part out of the car. Now the fun of figuring out how we're gonna put it in the car. I should have a better camera system by the time that starts, so I can actually set it up and let it run. But the story does continue. Boogity boogity boogie, let's go racing, boys. We in gasser mode. Oh, lots of math, lots of figuring, some cutting and welding. This is gonna be a journey.